if there is a seam in the middle. Bring the needle up through the hole marked 1 on the underside of the fabric. Then insert the needle into the hole marked 2. This will create a horizontal stitch line. When all parts are sewn together, it should look like this. Gently hold the middle of this thread, then pull it slowly. Then you can tidy it up by yourself. From the front, you will see no trace of the stitches, while the back will appear like this. The last stitch needs to pass from the bottom to the inside, then emerge again from the outside. Finally, tie a knot to secure the end. Trim off the excess parts.